Mustang, a little upgrade, appearance upgrade that I'm doing for my 98 Mustang. So y'all just saw I took the car to the shop and had the adapters took off. So here right here, my first package in is my new taillights. And some of you all may disagree with the taillights that I'm putting in the car, and some of y'all may like them, but at the same time, the car has chrome taillights and it has chrome headlights. So I'm actually changing them to a smoke because of the fact that I'm just trying to tone some of that chrome down. I've been looking at that chrome for a long time. Like I said, the car been painted since 2006. That's originally when the car painted. When I had it painted, I put the wheels on the car that's on there, and I also put the tail lights and the headlights, which is the headlights is going to be changed also. I'm just waiting on that package to come in. I think on Wednesday, and my wheels, they are ordered also, so I'm waiting on them. I should be getting them like Monday. Today is Sunday. I'm just getting back from a show in Mobile, Alabama. Y'all probably wonder where I got my high base 601 T on. Red pants to match. But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and do this unboxing. Show y'all what tail lights I'm gonna put in my Mustang. And normally I will go ahead and unbox my packages before I do a video. But this time I'm gonna let y'all see me unbox them. No damages to the box other than the spot right there. I don't see nothing else. So new lights for my 98 GT, and then we're changing the wheels also, guys. So stay tuned for the full, complete upgrade. I'm gonna tilt the camera down a little bit so I can see a little better. Let's try that. So this will make the third set of lights that I'm putting in my Mustang. Oh wow, I love them. Damn, I love them. I love them already, guys. I love them already. I was kind of skeptical. I ain't even took the bubble wrap off. So I got chrome taillights in there now. So I'm finna take everything off and let y'all look at them. And the great part about these, you all will see when I get them installed and get the car finished, that they are LEDs. The LEDs turn signal, LED brakes, and then they have a running LED ring, 3 running LED rings. When the switch is on and I'm just driving, I have 3 LED rings lit up all the time. That's smooth. Kind of gives it that factory look back, but an upgrade. I like it. Now here is the only thing that I was kind of worried about. It's black on the side here that runs into that silver paint on my car. My other lights are silver, but then it's all chromes. But I'm not gonna worry about that. I got black badging on the side by my door, and then I got black interior in the car. You know, the tires are black. You got molding is black. So these are gonna be something smooth, different. Like when I go to my little Mustang shows or my mom and pop early morning car shows, which those are the shows I like to do with my Mustang. People that's been seeing this car for years with the chrome, you know, these lights right here is gonna, you know, let them know, hey, I've done something different. And the front headlights gonna be exactly like the ones I have in there, but they're gonna be black also. So when I get those, I will unbox those and let y'all see them. So we're gonna go ahead and open the other one after we put this one up. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Don't get me wrong, the lights I have in the car, they are badass. But it's just the fact that I'm just tired of looking at them, you know? I'm just tired of looking at them. Other people, and even the guy that I'm gonna sell my headlights to and taillights, when I showed him my taillights, he was like, I want them, I want them. He was like, those look better than the one you're about to get. I said, you know what, that's fine, that's your opinion, because you ain't had the lights in there for, shit, I mean, how many years? Since 06? 13, well, exactly 14 years. I have. I want my eyes to look at something totally different. I want to look at something totally different, so I chose these. After looking on eBay, I couldn't find nothing that really looks good. I actually found some of the ones I have on eBay in black, but I just didn't want that look. I'm not trying to make this video too long, guys. I just want to make sure everything is fine and let y'all look at everything and help me make sure. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna take this one out of plastic. I just want to observe everything. It looks like it's an easy hookup. I'm gonna check and see. There's no extra wires that come with it, so apparently it's plug and play. It's got a connector on the back, which probably connects to my factory harness. Y'all can see it. There's one connector out back. So this is gonna be a quick and easy install. It's a question though. But anyway, stay tuned for the next unboxing video. Sorry about that. Stay tuned for the next unboxing video of the headlights.